Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the vibration on your Xbox Series X or S controller. This is easy to do. So what we want to do is go up to the top, go to settings right here, select this, go down to devices and connections, then go to controllers and headsets. Then I do have two controllers. I have the Elite controller, and then I have the regular one right here. So I'm going to go to configure, then I want to go to the slot, and then go to the edit option right here. Then I can go on down to where it says turn on vibrations, and I can uncheck mark it, and then I will not have any more vibrations. Now on the Elite controller, it might be a little bit different. So if we back on out of this, I go to this controller, I want to go to the slot and then edit, and then I can tab on over to the vibrations tab right here, and I can just turn all these little sliders to the left and completely turn off the vibrations. Now you can also do this in your specific game, and it might be easier to do that. So I can go into the Call of Duty settings and then completely turn this off. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.